All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right, so it looks like the market is bouncing back. BTC is at around 70K. I think and Coinbase, Nvidia are up, I believe, today. The Nasdaq is up overall. So anytime the Nasdaq is up, we have our tech stocks doing pretty well. So Tesla's up, Nvidia's up, Coinbase is up. Looks like Intel is down a little bit. New York Stock Exchange is up today, and the Dow is up as well. And I took a look at crypto prices. Crypto did decent today. I mean, nothing too spectacular, but we do have altcoins that are moving up decently. And we may have found the bottom. We may have found the bottom of the quote unquote bear cycle. If you remember, it all started with the crash on October 10th, the flash crash, supposedly the biggest crash since FTX, and then the COVID crash. Okay. So from there to February, and we dropped to 60K, we may have found a bottom, which would be great because most people are predicting BTC will be at 150 to 200 by the end of the year, and most likely altcoins will be up a lot higher. So yeah, I think it's really good price action. I believe we have CPI data coming out this week, and then PPI data shortly follows that. I'm not sure if it's this week or next week. And I think we have some job numbers coming out, which is very important because that's the Fed's primary focus right now is the job stability numbers. And yeah, let me check my mic to make sure my mic is working. Let me check my mic. Some job numbers coming out, which is very important because that's the Fed's primary focus right now is the job stability numbers. And yeah, let me check my mic to make sure my mic is. All right, looks like the mic is working pretty good. Okay, so yeah, and I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I haven't heard anything. Obviously, we had the Super Bowl yesterday, so most people were focused on that. I too did a little bit, and yeah, that's kind of the focus of people's this week. It kind of took the eyes off of the crypto market, but I think the crypto market bounced back pretty well this week. It was a slow pump, and not a slow pump, but a slight increase, nothing too drastic. But I think we're coming up on a bottom. Again, we still have that CME gap that we need to fill at 83,000 or 84, I believe, somewhere around there. And yeah, I think we're overdue for a bounce, a good bounce. And again, a lot of institutional folks and companies are buying BTC, so I didn't think that 60K range would have lasted much longer than what it did. And I think we have already hit the bottom or we're pretty close to it. So we'll see. That's pretty much. Hopefully this is not slow. This is getting. Hopefully, okay. I think it's good now. Yeah. Hopefully we've hit the bottom, and we don't. Maybe we range bound for a little bit, but I think we've hit the bottom, and hopefully the remainder of Q1 is up, and then from here, hopefully we see a reclaim of 90K and then getting back over 100K. But yeah, and everything points to that happening. Okay, we have midterms coming up. Oh man, this is just so choppy. So we have midterms coming up, so we know the administration wants to see the market do well. We've been on a downtrend for a while, and again, the demand is there for Bitcoin, all right? And then that essentially trickles into altcoins. Also, we're seeing a decline in gold price and silver. They went from like 5,500 to 5,000 and then like 120 to 90. I think they bounce up a little bit, but that's usually what happens. And somebody was showing a chart on X and they were saying how we haven't had January and February be negative months for BTC in the last, I think it was like ever, actually. So most likely we're going to end this month green, and hopefully Q1 ends up green as well, right? Okay, let's play a couple games of Blitz, and let's maybe 2 or 3, and then we'll be done for the day. All right, let's see what's going on here. I knew it was going to do that. Darn it. I'm messing up. All right, let's see. He's up a lot of pawns. So it's not looking good for me, but we'll see. You gotta try to go for that pawn. He should have went for that pawn first. Oof. Oof, I think I can do it like that. I think we're pretty much good. Uh, I wonder if I could go for the win. I think I can go for the win, huh? I think I can go for the win. Oof, that was actually very smart of me to do that. Ooh, man, I played this so good. I'm impressed by myself. Wow. That was actually really good play from myself. I'm actually impressed. Because I was thinking about drawing it out, which I could have drawn it out, but I looked at the time and I realized like he was low. So I was like, I could check him again, then just run him down, take the pawn, and just draw the clock out. So I'm happy with that. All right, let me play one more, and I think that's going to be it because I have to do some stuff after work here. But I will end over 1,300. Even if I lose this game, I'll be over 1,300, which is great for me. Oops, my bad. I took too quick. I mean, I moved too fast. All right, let's break this. There we go. Wait a second. If I do that, should be okay. I think. What the heck? This dude did not even pay attention. Did he not even pay attention to that? I was like, I was looking at his queen too. I was like, okay, is he gonna be able to just get me trapped with his queen? But then I realized my bishop was guarding f8, so he wasn't paying attention. So 1321, 1321. Okay, so yeah, technology stocks are up today. Looks like Bitcoin, crypto bounced back nicely. Again, I think we may be ending up Q1. We may have the end of 2025 be rough, and then obviously January was rough for crypto, but it looks like we are finding a bottom, and being that it is the midterm election year, and then the fact that the Clarity Act is still getting moved through, there's some positive catalysts coming up that can bring the crypto market back. But yeah, we just got to wait and see. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.